Starting the day off, we're heading to go and grab some nice sushi at this local place, which I really love. They are called chopsticks, and what I know them for is their consistency. Whenever you go here, you can expect a 7 out of 10 minimum, and often better than that. Whereas some sushi places are really inconsistent, and as we're showing you here, it's a great price too. So we're heading down to go and grab some sushi from them, really nice guys as well, and then we're heading to the tram to go to Botaniska. Now we're about to show you a real pearl here in Gothenburg. So after grabbing some sushi and grabbing some snacks, of course it was time to go to the special place in our hearts, namely the Botanical Garden here in Gothenburg. And when I say that this is one of our absolute favorite places to go, I mean it. We go here in autumn, we go here in spring, and we go here in the summer. And what I love most is that the colors are always changing. It's equally beautiful, but it's a different taste each time. And therefore it becomes such a pleasant experience every time you go here. And it's just a lovely experience. As you can see, the flowers, the vibes, the people, everyone just feels peaceful. And this is a place where you can go if things are feeling stressful in life, if there's a lot on your plate, then having a day here is honestly like a mini vacation. And yeah, it's just perfect for a date or for a picnic. We even saw some people sunbathing, and it feels far away from the city, from the core of the city, but at the same time it's not too far to reach it. So it's like a perfect blend of getting away from all the noise while not being too far away to reach with normal public transport. So we finally got to our spot, to this big green wonderful grass area, and we put down our picnic picnic blanket and started eating. And as you can see, we truly enjoyed it. So here's a little time lapse of us eating, and I think I'll let the music do the rest now. We're approaching the end of the video now, and to conclude, this is a place to go with anyone. It's open for anyone and everyone, and this is a place where you can take your family, your partner, your friends to enjoy the sun or just to relax. And I hope you enjoyed it, and please comment some more suggestions on what we should check out. Peace!